Today we're going to take a quick spin of the 2024 Volkswagen Taos SE. This compact SUV has been turning heads and winning hearts. Let's talk about the design. The 2024 Taos SE boasts a sleek and modern exterior with clean lines and bold features. It's a car that demands attention, whether you're cruising through city streets or venturing off the beaten path. Now let's talk performance. The Taos SE offers a spirited driving experience with a responsive engine that delivers ample power while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. Whether you're tackling city streets or taking a weekend getaway, the Taos SE is up to the task. And let's not forget about Volkswagen's commitment to sustainability. The 2024 Taos SE is designed with the environment in mind, featuring eco-friendly materials and efficient engineering. It's a step forward in the automotive industry's journey towards a greener future. Now, let's step inside. The interior of the Taos SE is a marvel of design and engineering. With its spacious cabin and comfortable seating, you and your passengers will enjoy every moment on the road. The cargo area is surprisingly roomy, giving you plenty of flexibility for all your adventures. But it's not just about looks and space. The Taos SE is packed with cutting-edge technology. The infotainment system is intuitive and user-friendly, keeping you connected and entertained on your journeys. And let's not forget about the advanced safety features that come standard, providing peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Now that we've checked out all of these features, I'll leave you here to check out a test drive of this vehicle. In conclusion, the 2024 Volkswagen Taos SE is a remarkable blend of style, comfort, technology, and performance. It's a vehicle that caters to the modern driver, offering an exceptional driving experience in every aspect. So, if you're in the market for a compact SUV that delivers on all fronts, look no further than the 2024 Volkswagen Taos SE. Visit Berge Volkswagen today and experience the future of driving.